Hey you, I saw you from the distance. Hey you, can we talk? Hey you, I think you're my subsistence. Hey you, or am I wrong?
Oh, so fabulous.
Hey YouTube, welcome back once again to your channel. Hey YouTube, welcome back. Hey YouTube, welcome back once again to the channel. It's your girl Dumebi Lea. You guys, I've done this intro like 10 times and I kept saying rubbish. Like, it's been a while I actually sat down to shoot, so I think I'm beginning to forget how to do my own intro. So as you guys already saw in the title, today's video is going to be a bedroom wall floral decor. I'm not really a DIY person. I'm that kind of person that rather just pay someone to do it, but yeah, I think I like letting my creative juices flow, which is why I'm excited about this. So this is actually my bedroom. I'm seated in my bedroom right now. This is the wall. This is my curtain. If you watch my channel, you're very familiar with this beautiful blue curtain. I just have to take my nails. I was in the process of taking my nails out, so I already did this hand and I didn't do this hand, just in case you were wondering. Please bear with me. I know it looks crazy. I have to state that this is actually a wallpaper. This room is originally painted blue, as I'm going to show you guys. It's painted blue, so I actually had my brother help me do the wallpaper, and you know, I used 2 rolls of wallpaper. This is 1 roll here, from here to here is 1 row, and then the other row is on the other side of this wall, which is my sitting room. So you guys, I went out and bought some things which I'm going to be showing you guys to do this decor. And yes, if this is your first time, please don't forget to join my family by hitting the subscribe button, and if you're an oldie and a returnee, you're welcome. I love you guys. So let me go right into showing you guys the things that I got. I already stated that this is the wallpaper. I got 2 rolls for 3,000 naira each. So for the decor that I'm going to be doing today, I got flowers. You can see that these are just flowers arranged on a string, and I knew the colors that I wanted to use. I wanted to use pink and lilac, which are my favorite colors. I love purple, you guys, the very light shade of purple, but unfortunately I couldn't get lilac flowers, so I just, you know, stuck with this one. This is actually 6 yards of this, like, you know, extending it outwards is 6 yards. Then I got this one because I felt like it blends with the color of the wall. So yeah, I didn't want too many colors. So this one was 4 yards, and I got them at 200 naira per yard. So guys, these are some other things that I bought here. These are like stones and studs, and I made sure that I bought the ones that have like flat ends so that I can stick them on the wall. I just want to like bling it up a bit, not just flowers. I want to add some bling. So I got a mixture of different ones. These ones are the same, they are gold in color, while these ones are kind of silver strokes crystal sort of. So I bought 3 of each of them at the rate of 50 naira each, you guys. So this is 300 naira in total. You guys can see that these things are pretty cheap, and I actually got them at like a local store in my area where they sell like sewing accessories, you know, buttons, zippers and trimmings and linings and all that stuff. So if you want to do your own decor, you can easily get these things in a place like this, wherever you can find where they sell like clothing accessories or fashion accessories. So this is actually super glue. I'm hoping that this super glue does not disappoint, because I intend to glue all these things to the wall. I didn't want to use a nail in hanging this because this is my bed and I don't want to hurt myself if there are nails on the wall. So I just decided it's safer to stick these things to the wall. So without much ado, I think I'm ready to begin. So you guys, remember I said I have 6 yards of the pink and then I have 4 yards of the cream. So I want to arrange them in like rows from up to down. So what I'm going to do is I want the one that is smaller, that is this one that has 4, to have like 3 rows, 1 here, 1 there, and 1 there. That's 3 rows from up to down. And then this one that's 6 is going to have 4 rows, 1, 2. So it's going to be alternating between the pink and the cream. So since I know that I want 4 rows, I'm going to have to measure this one and then cut it into 4 equal lengths. So these are the 2 ends folding it into 2, and then I'll fold it again into 4 before I cut, so that everything is going to be equal. This is it from start to end. It's folded into 4 like this. One, 2, 3, and 4. So this has been cut into 4. Then I want to cut this one into 3. So let me fold it to give me 3 equal lengths. These are 3 equal lengths. So now I need to know like the spots, the exact spots that I'm going to be placing them. So I'm going to take a pen and a measuring tape to make sure that everything is equal. This is approximately 50 inches, and from here to where I want to stop is approximately 30.5 inches. That's 80.5 inches. So, and I want to divide them because I have a total of 7 columns, right? So we're going to do mathematics. 80 divided by 7 gives you what? So that will let me know like the spacing between each column, and then I'll use my pen to mark it. It's about 11.4 inches, so I'm going to mark like every 11.4 inches from here to there. That's what I'm going to be doing right now. Guys, now that I have demarcated everything into 4 to 7 to indicate where I want like everything to hang from, I'm just going to take each flower, I don't know what to call this, each piece of flower that I've already cut into 7. I'm going to place them, like I'll just take them and just stick the first parts each so that they can hang, and then I see how far. Now I don't want to start from the top because this is not long enough to get to the bottom, but I don't even need it to get into the bottom because my bed is going to, I don't want my bed to cover the flowers. I don't know if that makes sense. I want the flowers to stop just right above where my bed and my pillows stop. So I'm going to just bring this down just a little bit to this spot right here, and this is where I'm going to begin. Guys, because I don't want them dangling, I'm going to still stick some of the flowers, maybe not all of them, but maybe alternating flowers. I will use the super glue to stick them to the wall so that everything will just be laying flat against the wall. guys, I'm done with all of this. Right now I'm going to be putting the stones. I'll be alternating between the silver or the crystal ones and then the golden ones. I don't yet know if I want to follow a pattern or if I just want to scatter them around, but you guys just watch me work and we'll see what I chose to do. So I'm going to be using the glue just like I did for the flowers, and I'm going to be using them to apply this right now. Guys, I had to get some extra flower train, what do we call this thing? But this is the cream one. I got like 6 more yards of it, and then I got white. This is also white. I got just 2 yards of this one. I just want to scatter it around on the flower backdrop. You can see between the cream and the white, right? Then I bought some extra stones. Look at you guys, 2 of the gold ones and these pink ones that I kind of liked. I got just 2 of them. Some extra super glue. This is because I didn't like the way the edges of my flower backdrop looked, so I want to put the 6 yards that I got on the edges, like so, on this edge and this edge downwards, while I've scattered the white just around. So you guys already know the drill. I'm doing this with my super glue. I don't think I need to show you guys. I will just come back to show you guys the finished work when I'm done. Guys, I'm done. This is the finished look. I'm going to show you guys a close-up. So what I did was I cut up like the white ones that I got. I cut them up in the flowers individually with a little bit of the net so that they look like stems. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm showing you. So I just put some of the pink stones like in the middle to make it look like they're actual flowers. I think it's really cute, and I filled up this with gold, and then I went around the edges of the wallpaper with the extra 6 yards of the cream flowers that I got. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Would you guys try this? And I'm so proud of myself, you guys. The first part that I did with the first set of materials that I got took me about 2 hours. Then this concluding part took me like another 2 hours. So that's in all 4 hours. It was hectic, but I'm proud of myself. So you guys let me know what you think. Would you like to have something like this in your bedroom? Would you like to do a DIY yourself? Because believe me, it's not easy. It's not for the faint-hearted. And if you have any ideas or suggestions on how this could have been better or faster, please leave it in the comment section. I suggest that if you're going to do it, you do it with gloves, because I got super glue all over my hands, but it was totally worth it. So you guys, I have to go. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to share, and let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.